Wow.
Here you know.
I don't know
Wagwan. Eh? So me agwa with what?
Calm down, man.
Yeah.
Welcome into the live. Welcome into the live, people. Thank you very much. All my successful tappers out there. Let's do a crack on the dark jabs.
Me near race it. Me near race it.
Just here.
Oh yeah, I've up the background. Sir Bruce there.
But we're here. Right. Right. Alright, I'm sitting on this.
Yeah, come on, like Bruce gone go sleep. Hey, why me I myself a echo?
Push. Alright, that's better.
Wonder.
Yeah, for one, big up to everyone in the live. Yeah, we're just trying to organize up some stuff, getting everybody up and running. Yeah, big shout out to the toppers in the building.
Can't get a hold of Bruce, you know. Mini area.
Yeah, we're going. We were supposed to have sleep.
Look so. Try reach him out on your phone and so I go on.
I understand. I even up there trying to get that something there for work, and it's like a problem, man.
What that?
My toppers.
Well, I'm calling back again. I'm coming. I understand.
Still not get in. Checking.
Good
Hello?
night.
Blessed night, darling. Blessed night.
Hey.
Sorry for the late.
What's up?
I Miss Juliet, that right?
Yes, yes.
Hey, Miss Juliet. You know, so me I try call Bruce and Bruce now answer. Me no know what go on.
Me, I wonder what going on myself.
Yeah, me that
So
try
all is
reach him.
well?
Yes, all is well. And you?
I'm here grateful, more than grateful. I'm above
That's
ground,
good.
so I'm grateful.
That's good. Welcome. We're supposed to be, two artists supposed to come on, so it me I wait pan, but me I try get a hold
Okay.
of Bruce. Me call him 3 times, but him nah.
All right.
The last time I saw him.
Let me
Okay.
try calling him. Give me a minute.
All right.
Ooh. Wagwan the third. Bossy J.
Hey, hey. You good?
You're good.
I'm calling him, but me not getting through. Sometimes him have some engagement and him unable to respond. So I have to just hold it down until him come.
All right, that may go do.
Hey,
All right. All right, I'm on there. All right, so hey guys, so welcome to 100% Talent. Um, the website is actually up, So anybody that wants to register, they can go onto 100% talent.jamaica.com, and that's where you can register for the upcoming contest. So I'm just wait on the artist them for come on, and then we can just move forward from this. So you have anything you want to say, Tawcha?
Yeah, share up the live, please, and thank you. And don't be shy, please, because this is just a little tip off the iceberg. You know what I mean? You know, if you say, oh, I never wonder if you never drop out, it's not a big competition right now. It's just we to determine if you are ready for the real deal. All right. So all you gotta do is just bring it and have fun. All right. So share up the live, please, and thank you. Call up the artists, them. The one who say them body in some tune there and can sing like them granny and one bag of sing. Yeah, call up everybody and see what them can do. Yeah. Let's go. Big up Jeffrey as a so far. Yeah. Know the thing go.
You want to say anything, Miss Juliet?
Yeah. You know, 100% talent is geared towards finding young, old, and in between talents. You understand me? It doesn't matter, you know, and all different types of talents, whether it's speech, dance, drama, music, whether you play a musical instrument or sing. You understand? 100% talent is geared towards finding these talents, and we want to put you out there, and we want to make some stars. And I think you're on the right platform, doing the right thing, and we have some good people, you understand me, who will be at the table judging. Honest people. People are going to not only critique you, but they will also help you to make sure that you grow and glow in your talent, because sometimes we have talent in it but we don't know how to, navigate our way through it. So we have some workshops coming up, and we will have all different types of persons in the workshop. You have Killer Wayne, who is an actor here. You have myself, who is a performing arts teacher. And you have our beautiful host, you understand, who is multi-talented. So we are we are here, and you understand, ready and waiting for you to join. You understand me? Just do what you need to do so we can get you to where you want to go. All right?
That is it. That is it, auntie.
All right.
All right. And the actual, you can move your head in, Tawcha.
Uh-oh.
Why you never put up the other one with the competition date and everything and the finals?
All right, my son look for that one there.
Okay. Well, the audition starts October 3rd, and the other one is October 17th. Those are the two dates that's on the that's coming up. If you want to join, you can go on the website and then you can sign up for that.
All right, just for look each other up. Whoa. What looks like? Can't zoom out.
Want to just go ahead and pick up some of the people who are popping in and popping out. You understand? As Wayne said before, like and share. You understand? Like and share. And just go and fill out the form and do what you need to do. And we see some people popping up here and there. And we just want to acknowledge some of them. So we ask, Nikki Pooh, Real One, Danesha. You understand? We see some people here. Just want to big you up. Just want to tell you thanks for joining us. You understand, on the live. Yes, nice to have you. Welcome to our TikTok live. Yes, welcome. So if you spot anybody that you know, you can just big them up, and let them know, say, you know, you see them.
That is it, man. That is it. Boy, me I try to get that something off to fit my screen, but only thing is I show us 100% talent.
After me, you
Bruce, I will come small.
can't send monkey figure ring church bell, you know, cause me now, for me now, me couldn't even throw you the talent, much less the 100, cause I wouldn't know what to do.
Oh, you can't find it?
Find it, but
Find
it
it,
now
but
go
it's too
fit.
big for the
Oh, it's too big
screen.
for
It's,
it.
yeah, you forgot. Tell him how to minimize it to get it down to the size that it can hold on it. Like for
I
me,
have it in my phone. You want me to? I can send it to you so you can pop it on your phone.
yeah.
I see him something I can say, no, man.
So me tell you something. See where I am, right here beside you. Something we are cry about, Grandma. Yes.
Culture color. I shop.
All right, I just sent it to you.
Send it to now.
Yeah, it's in the group chat.
Missy, thanks for coming on. I wonder if it's the real one. That if it's the real one, you can just stop by.
Tawcha, what that's in your background? Tawcha, what that's in your background?
Yes.
Nice. I like one.
Anybody find Bruce yet? I wonder if I run Bruce runway.
I'm call him 3 times back just a while ago. Him never answer.
Okay, missing in action. And Bruce and it look like say Bruce there's somewhere I do something where him can't really, come on right now because he would be here.
Yeah,
And
man,
they
know
need
that.
to, yeah, so as we continue to keep the life going, we just can find Ruthless, Toothless,
Yeah, so you see,
Audrey Hawkins, Jordan send it, who is that?
I'm telling you, what I'm going on, sir. I say Canada and then I know what I'm going on.
you and your many vices.
Yeah, man, an actor, man. The man have many character, many voices.
About 5
Remember, say
different
him,
vices you have, but can't keep up with them.
you understand? Chubby, come in. Chubby, roll and come in. Me see a while ago, Chubs. Roll and come in, mama. We are all here.
Nah, that's blurry. I can't see anything.
I want this, man. You okay, put on your glasses, no, man. See me have on, see me, you know.
Yo, something wrong with the body head. Take it up, okay? It doesn't look well on your side. You can put up by the other one.
Doesn't look well on my side. You know what I'm going to say.
It looks so. When you did move your head, it was blurry. Yeah. Oh, so the date's there. Okay, you can leave that one.
So you see that the
Second,
first
Catwoman.
Yeah.
place, so
So
for the
yeah, you can
guys,
see it now.
right? For the guys, yes, I'm afraid of them something here. See, I don't know how to come out of this, you know. When me I do over here, so I tell you. Yes, guys, as you see, it's gone already, but it will be back soon. You see the $500,000 that could be yours. What you think? Huh? So we're looking on. There's a whole lot of prizes and surprises. Okay, so in this time of inflation, you understand, whenever you see anything, you have the talent and you know that you have to put yourself out there so that you can run on the prizes and the surprises. Okay?
So the first place winner for the competition is 500,000. For the second place is 200,000, and for the third place is 100,000. But it's not just one prize we're giving away December
Not just one
26th.
prize we're giving away December 26th. Not just one prize we're giving away December 26th. Not just one prize we're giving away December 26th.
You on your phone, them.
You understand? So there are other prizes and surprises. Shane, let's see.
He told you about the prizes that's gonna give away every single week, or I'm never tell you about the prize there
Yeah,
yet.
man. There's a prize every week.
Yeah, it's
Every
from
week we will have
5,000 to 20,000, but that price depends on the judge. If you score high with the judge, that is how you determine your prize, and your prize can also double from 20 to 40,000.
Yep. And remember that if you sometimes somebody come on the audience said that what him that you them mad you know him good and everybody said Jesus I'm them vote him off me think so whatever. But we will have a surprise for you because some people will be called back. You understand me? So you have to also bear in mind that you could be one of those persons. You understand me? So I Karen.
But I actually want everyone that they can go on the website. You can also see everyone from season 1 also up to season 2. And you can also see the scores or them perform. You have everything, and you also can read their bio. Everything is on the website.
Yeah.
And you know it's a kind of a fun website. You can pick your own. It's two team yellow and team blue. So if it's pick team blue, the whole entire website will be blue just for you. And you get to read who's the
Hey,
judges
Jenna.
and read them bio and read everything about them.
So you will definitely know who you are cheering for and who exactly you will be voting for. So as long as you understand me, you pick your team and you decide to stay true. Cause some people love jump fence, you know. You understand me? Jump ship. I wonder if Killer Wayne a jump ship. Cause you know, you see my hiding face? We have to watch him, you know. Because he's a man will make your nose straight up, you know. Look here, you see if that ship then now go in my direction. And me see when I go in my direction. Baby, me sorry. Me go on over me a jump ship.
You know him good.
Yeah, but the man no mince him words, man, and he make you know exactly where him going and how him feel. So you understand me? And these are the type of judges that you will have out there, people. People who know exactly what they're looking for. They spot talent, they spot it right on, and they will, if they see it, they will encourage you and they will help you. So while you are coming to perform, there is also room for help. You understand me? You will have coaches there, people that will be able to help you to say, okay, you were chosen, but you need help in this and help in that. We don't leave you by the way. We make sure that we push you, like it says, 100%.
That is it.
100%. Hear me there, hear you. 100%.
The money and him 5 vice them.
Tell you, with him 101 vice them. Yeah.
Away I give a bounty.
Yeah. Watch
Eh?
him, man. You have to watch him, man.
Tell the people them
My
straight.
favorite part, is when him say, no, man, what we are do? Look for me, I come from my youth. We are do my youth, what we are do? You understand me? Hey, that money are cool, yeah, man. No, sir. That money are cool. Uh-huh. Yeah, man. And I'm telling you, he is a product of Consiverse. And let me tell you something, he made his mark and he is here to stay. Only one problem me have with him, and let me tell him just now want run with me. Me show him the rope so him can go on stage and go in other things and run the place. But we are work on him. We are work on him. We are work on the temperament. You understand me? We are work on the timing. You understand me? Because when a star is born, it is born. But some people, them tell themselves, say, nigga, easy. You can't easy with them, the talent, my brother. You have to push it out because the world are wait on it. Simple as that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Dan,
man.
go push it out. Push
Yes.
out the look, Dan, chop.
Yeah,
Dan,
make everybody see the talent. And that's how we are still.
push it out,
Wagwan.
Dan.
Are you sure to push your talent? Push your talent. You kill a weird.
What we talking about? Push up your talent. You need to go push up your talent.
Our we got England.
Worry yourself if you reach a Germany next.
Oh, boys, drinking a cup of tea, mate. This is it.
Don't worry if you reach a Germany next.
Yeah, I tell you.
Alice La Super. Wait,
man.
who's our Australian friend? You send her invite?
You tell your moit.
I believe she knows that. I believe she knows the time.
Send her corky for an invite?
I
Maybe she
did.
listening with the Crocs. I don't know. My cat said to tell you guys hi.
We're not going with the two puss them.
Hello, they're not named Puss. People gave me a name for them. They're called Oreo and Ginger.
Young people.
Here's Oreo. Goddamn Oreo, bloody hell, he always sleeps all over the bloody place.
Ginger always tearing up the damn bed and everything.
Big up. Real one still there, same way. Yeah, big up in my general. Yeah, a good thing there. What's there? We have some people in the building, man. Go on, big up.
Water.
You're going to take out
Yeah,
your bottle.
culture color still there. It's culture. Ooh, beat them bad. Beat them bad. Beat them bad is here. Beat them bad is here. Thank you for the tops there. Thank you for the tops. Sean, big up yourself for joining. You know the match going on. See it there?
Yes, Tiana.
500,000. 500,000. See the people. There's no lie. 500G. Yeah. I can't say that word, but what? 500G, bro. Come and get it. Come and get it, bro. Yeah.
Let's say if we can't get it, it's alright. Come.
Well,
Yeah, man,
Yeah.
run it down. Tell the people them step aside. This one is mine. The $500,000, it is yours. Come and get it. If you know you have that kind of talent, if you know you can dance like that, if you know you can sing like that, if you know that you can play an instrument like that, if you know that you can perform any kind of poem, poetry, drumming, so killer way they get the drumming right there. So you understand, whatever talent you have, push it right out there so that you can be the winner of that $500,000. Dear Beauty, thank you very much. So we want to make sure that the right people with the right talent at the right time. You understand? So your time to shine. So Step right out and do what you gotta do.
Step out like Dan. Watch out over there, step up.
People wonder why we are called Killer Wayne. He stars in a show that's called Shadow. That's why we call him Killer Wayne.
His character, that's the character he played.
Yes.
So you can check out the movie as well, Shadow, as we are talking, and you will see him in action. You will see myself there as well, how he terrorized and harassed me and my child in the movie. And you know, just watch it. It's a good movie. It has some good points that you can look at real life situations that mothers, mostly in the inner city, face with their sons. And you know, these mothers are relentless. They're not giving up. They're not stop praying. They're not stop going to church. And it you know, Wayne just show an aspect of some of the young men who decided to take the wrong turn, but he captured the role very well. So myself and many other young actors, you know, you could come and watch them and see their work, because you know, Conserverse always have place for young talents, new talents. So if you are that talent, welcome to the club. All right.
Welcome to the club. Welcome to the club. Oh, that is Blue Eyes.
Grandma,
Yes, dear.
are you wet?
Beat them who's on right now. She's representing not Jamaica, but born and grows in Jamaica, but she's in shit.
Grandma.
Fern.
She's in Trinidad. Yeah, I think she's in Trinidad, Trinidad. I think that.
I'm gonna put my water bucket in her face.
You put it in the fridge.
DJ in the background. How's baby there?
Yeah?
Oh, that's my granddaughter.
Juliet, granddaughter.
Shadow DJ.
Hi.
No, she not. She
Hi,
not.
baby.
No, she's not DJ. No, she's more of an actress.
Hello.
She's more of an actress.
She's an actress. Oh. Ready for done foot hot.
Me tell you, so when she ready for going her character, I have to just shake my head and say, Father God, see it there. When she do me anything and she said my face look upset, she said, Grandma, you know it's an accident. And I said, okay, you start early. And then when she said that, you know, I give her the left eye. She said, Grandma, what is wrong with your eye? Hey, you want to remember the first time when you look at kids, and you know, when you said you're trying to give them the hint that don't do that, they would just, you know, quietly stop. Nowadays, them ask you, what is wrong with your eye? You understand me? So it's not working over here for us again. So these children are too smart for the old time stuff. They are, as somebody that said, they're not a slave blood in them again. So they're not really afraid of nobody. Them free, expressing themselves. And that's why we want all from young, old, and in between. You understand? We're free. Free upon yourself. Come a Conserverse. You understand me? 100% talent. And get your freedom papers, $500,000. Boy, I wish I could have entered the competition, because me know I forgot to put a dent in that.
Tell them say if me enter, I don't even look for 500,000. Must know say every week me I collect one little party pack, one little pack in the channel. You know something?
Somebody go time me wait for collect all our prizes and the surprises.
That's like if you get for spin. And collect the bonus, the double.
That's something.
Tell you. Hi, Dolores. Yep.
Anybody knows play rock, paper, scissors and see it a bun up a TikTok. Shoot.
Okay, but with the money, I know.
Oh, Kata, pick up yourself.
And rock, paper, scissors are running down. I see the Africans, them like, you know, whoa, who go up from who go down, whoa. That one they want to try. They might take it over, man. That little food challenge, boy. Then prepare because you come down here, where do it? Yeah, man, say reach here, do it.
One ways here.
Yeah, so make sure you don't feel that day, you see me? A day worth of no food. And I gotta do it. Yeah, man. Miss Just say you join too? Yeah, man. What are we join, man? I'm trying to see what make sure
the competition would be really, 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 really great because three of us. You understand me? It would have been no, sir. It would have been too much. No, sir. It would be a stiff competition because there'd be too much talent in one place, and now like too much talent in one place. So it would be a stiff competition. But you can't tell me no secret still. I use it against you and win. And then me share, me buy on a drink. Wouldn't be so bad, but I buy on a drink. You understand? How much a bag juice again?
How much I think how much for a bag juice? I think the last time when I come down, I buy one for $150, but me get 12 coming at the in the bag.
I good look a while you know come down, don't.
No, I came down in December.
Then from December you buy it for $150, you know what, $300 and something for it now.
Whoa.
I mean, tell you say no bag juice, me don't buy you, you know. Me say me don't buy you bag juice.
Well, I'm man auntie make you forward and come buy some bag juice with and take out $50, man. I walk like fireman. I walk on the spot, man. I say, yo, you're another $50.
$70 now for one bag juice. $70.
A single one?
Yes.
Man.
So you see that now if them win the $500,000 or the second prize is what, 300?
The first place is 500,000. The second place is 200,000. The third place is 100,000.
Look how much bag juice them could have buy with that. And even buy one little bike, you know. Yeah, them can do buy one little bike.
I believe we have one of the whole the artist them come, Jay Black.
I can invite you.
Hey, Jay Black.
Allah, my general there.
Fully. Yeah, the youth for everybody in the house. Yeah, did.
Hey, night.
Yeah, Black.
Here's somebody, Miss Juliet. Here's somebody has so much for bag juice.
So
much for bag juice.
So much for bag juice.
So
you can stay there.
Yeah, man, so much bag juice and now, man, beat them.
A $70 the other day. Because the time's so hot, me downtown the other day, I stand up and I say, boy, me feel like I eat one of them. I not call no company name because I not advertise and I get no money. If me go call your name, you have to pay me. So I buy one of them bag juice there and because I want the ice, just to stand up and eat the ice. That me I tell myself, you know, so I walk over now and I say to the man, say, I'll go with my nice voice too, you know. Yeah, I'm going with my uptown voice. He said, hi, how are you? How much for those bag juice? And, you know, I have $50 in my hand. But me just ask still. Yeah, the man. $50 can't buy bag juice again, you know, lady. A $70 for one. I said, really? I said, oh my word. $70? So how these children are going to afford their little juice? You know, $70. Hear him, lady, you can't stay there. Sorry for them. They are $2,000 and $3,000 a day. They might get for carry go school. Me say, what you say? Him say yes. Cause them all are throw $1,000 a day, partner. Me say, what you say? Me say, no man, me have to go come home back and check my son and see if something go wrong.
Why?
With what?
How's she going?
She's there.
I don't hear nothing. It just cut. So you might up on mute, you know. Anyhow, folks, for all who's tuned in, I'm wondering who is Jay Blacks is here. Our guest artist is in the building. Yeah, you know what I mean? Trust me, people. This artist here far.
We didn't know what happened.
You alright, mama?
Yeah, man, all is good.
Remember to see those cut a while ago.
Hi. Yeah, a while ago a call came in, so it kind of
Okay.
yeah. Whenever a call come in, it just kind of cut it off.
So Jay Black came.
Luana,
I believe he's one of
Richie.
our guest artists.
Unknown giant. Yeah, like what I was saying, people. J Blacks, trust me. This artist I come from a far. You know what I mean? He's been through it. You know what I mean? Stage show, seas rise. You know what I mean? A whole lot. A brother from another mother. You know what I mean? So, folks, stick around in a few. J Blacks will give a few of the hot singles. Then, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Don't know the monster. So J Blacks, go and big up yourself here, bro.
Them can introduce himself and talk about a little bit about his music so we can know what going.
Alright then, J Blacks, do your thing, man. I can't make people know what going. So Master Bruce check in. Let me see it while ago.
Yeah, we just
Bruce, welcome to planet Earth.
Master Bruce in the house.
Welcome to planet Earth.
Sorry for the delay, guys. I got stuck on the road.
Okay, then well, we not run off the program.
Big up yourself, Tawcha.
That's cool, man. Alright. People, you know what I mean? Next top host is here, Master Bruce, you know what I mean? A teacher, / a father, / a general. Boy, a whole heap of slash there, but you big up yourself though still, my bro. So we are here now. We're make J Blacks introduce himself to the peeps. You know what I mean? Just a little early little introduction, make the people know what go on and think, cause I think J Blacks was in season 2 or so, don't right? The Master Rules.
J Blacks always a part of the production.
Same thing, J Blacks are the whole season them. So J Blacks, the people them know what go on, and for the new artists them I say them I go try it out. But they know what go on.
Yeah, man. Big up everybody, man. Big up yourself, Master Bruce. Claim it, big up yourself, 100% talent. And Tony, big up yourself, you don't know. It's a pleasure for the year pass through, man. Big up. You know, we always be a part, I think, man, and you don't know, as we say, you know, them just have to just believe and put in a work. You see me? And push out hard, and your strength is your health, you see me? And your wealth. Believe. Come on.
That is it, my bro. That is it.
J Blacks Day, you know, we have a whole heap of work scene I put in, and you know, they're already for the next scene. In town already, when they're ready for the next scene. Because most people that say, yo, it's just a little piece of the movie will come in, and you know, whole heap more people that say, they don't want to see in a more part. But you know already, it's what I say, Antonio, you know the code already.
Alright, my bro, that is the code. That is the code, my G. That is the code. That is the code, my bro. Alright, folks, so that is J Blacks. You know what I mean? For all who know, I don't know the face, but I see it there. That's J Blacks right there. Yeah, that's the general right there. You know what I mean? So that is it. That is
Tawcha.
First start.
Tawcha.
Yeah, me see.
Let me get J Blacks a proper intro. You see when Shadow a start, the song was Start Shadow. J Blacks that I sing Tipsy.
You know, them know, say I'm...
Them not see your face, man.
Oh, yeah.
Why?
And a J Blacks that come off a Riquez in a party.
Yeah, folks, so all who watch movie Shadow, that's Shadow Part 1. Yeah, man. J Blacks. Him was starting of the show. Yeah, man. Him start the show. Riquez both him and Draco.
Yeah.
I'm scared. So yeah, folks, check out Shadow. You know what I mean? For sure, you say the show is not about a joke thing. I tell you, say artists will get a chance to be in movie and you get video shoots and all these things. You know what I mean? We don't just do like some other promoters out there. We just talk it, and then when they check a stock, we just missing like just missing like that. You know what I mean? Yeah, we talk it and we show it and we prove it. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. People say we have a 100 vice. They say we have a 100 vice. You see, we look good. See, to attack the can't tell you say, yeah, the teeth look good. You see, if you full of bread, see, you rest of the over there, so I can't tell you, I'm full of bread. You see? Yeah, man. I'm full of artists, J Blacks can tell you what I go on people. So, share up live some more no people. You know what I mean? One J Blacks, one go at least 120 people or so or more. J Blacks can do a few tune and you see me? Yeah, we are here. You know what I mean? Also big up to my auntie, you don't know. She's here same way with us. She's a fan. Yo, I know
in the building.
Adam just gonna say, you know, enough people don't even know who are talking, you know. Just Miss Jazzy, you know, you need to show your face, you know. She's a super actor, you know, people. Yeah, man. You should big up. She's a super actor. You should tell about Killer Wayne this and Killer Wayne that. She's a top actor, people. Yeah, man. Just in the rest there. Yeah, man. All those skits we see with Bashment, Granny, and couple of them, man, they're out there and all of them. Yeah, man. Yeah. She's in it.
But una the new generation actor, you know. We are focused on Uno now, you know, because we know that it happened. That is a cycle life. We getting older, so we want you guys to take over the genre of theater to start to do what no need for do. And because film is now the big thing out there, we want sooner out there on that platform. So that's why I am encouraging and imploring the young people, let your content be, you know, full of substance. You understand me? Because the people want real something, real life thing. You understand me? Yes, we are Jamaicans and we love the gimmicks and we love the joke. But this is the genre of theater where we do talk about the real situation them and the real things that happen in our life. And most people don't want to talk about it. Because they want to, you know, shy away from it and go on like everything is good. And it is not good. And we are this next generation, we're going to make it good. Yeah. And what Bruce I play the guy's song that? I have him sing that in Killer Wayne?
Okay, I don't even know who lagging with controversy. I think I was lagging with controversy.
Be a damn face in a pocket fire. I girl, you forget my dark up. Tell me a chill chop about money, can't done. Fuck on my food and get your skin done. The turn up in this time in the cool out, you never left my gun. I say phone slow, that's
Yeah, bro. Oh, you ain't gonna jump after that.
Oh, in my plate now.
Done
Yeah.
already, you know.
Oh, man. Yo, them song that were Bruce play a while ago, Jay. How me just say them tune there? How me just say them tune there?
Me I wonder who a play song cause I know me a play no music.
Hold on. I would have played music a while ago.
Me don't know but me see my thing I light up and me not play no music.
Hold on, a J Black song that they play a while ago.
I know J Black's that.
Oh.
You hear a Cartel and Ray Ray play.
Cartel. Right, it's sorry people. You must you think of J Black's to
So like when him on the screen, I can freestyle and sing something make we hear him.
You say I'm ready anytime, man.
So we're ready now for him.
Alright, Jay. Them say them want a few. Can I get them a few, man, my general, man. Make the people me who I want. So people, you know what I mean, without further ado, you know what I mean, brother from another mother father, Jay Blacks. Take it to them, my boy. So I go on there.
Yeah. I mean, so we got the consequence family, you know, I say 100% talent, you know, it come down. You know what they are all back of voice, master bro, so you go. Me feel paro, yeah, me feel paro. Me a drink liquor like say not tomorrow. Yeah, me feel paro, yeah, me feel paro. Drink on my pain and drink on my sorrow. Yeah, me feel paro, yeah, me feel paro. Money when me spend can't lend nor borrow. Yeah, me feel paro, yeah, me feel paro. Money when me spend can't lend nor borrow. Watch ya, me step out my latest thing. Watch, chain, latest ring. The girl them a feel love of the king. Yeah, them a feel love of the king. Who me? Me nah watch it thing. The girl them say them want catch a film. She a chase Remy and Ting. Chanel me get Rene and Kim. Feel paro, yeah, me feel paro. Me a drink liquor like say I not to. Yeah, you know, all it them
Yeah,
Paro.
that one. I see that one. Yeah, yeah, I mean, really, this. All right, people, I them thing that me I tell you from now. But me, I'm sure not telling you me I want judge, but who they can just know what I go on here. I them thing that me I look for. You see me? You see when all the rhythm cut left you, me want you feel it same way. Make it come like the rhythm still a play in your head and people say, but hold on, the rhythm not gone, what am I listen to? And you flow with it, see. That's what you call entertainment. That's what you call somebody where I go for the money. That me I talk about. J Black, so that me I talk about my G, man. That is it, my boy. That is it. Give me next class, man. What class pick up one? Hello, people. Hello. You know, go share and clap them, you know, that me I tell you. Bruce. Find 2 sound effects there. What are they? Oh my God. She's out of the building.
Get them down now. I want to come from a true story, don't I? So big up the people, them, and big up the fans, them. Big up the actor, them. Master Bros. Mommy say fi stand up at the church gate. Month of people tell me say God need me, ma call me. The amount of things me see happen in my life, this I must so be ya. God me not deserve it. Me see my life savings gone to waste. Me not see no judge there, so I try no case. Me see my house burn down in my place. Can't wait pan karma, come I don't got no fear to it. Them no know the sufferation man been through. The amount of time I feel I have to start over. Them no know the badness from my walk over. This is a prayer for me gangster, my father. The more for turn me down, you in a monster. He say for turn to you, I saw me get my answer. The more for see me upon my face, a big sponsor. Me come to you, see me at your altar. Me try till me can't try no more. John, me I beg you open the door. I me alone outside, now do call. Sleepless night, don't have no home. Them not know about sleep on the road. Husband don't have no clothes. Me fight till my hand them get sore. Me cry till me can't cry no more. Yeah, me sit down night bush and I chat to myself, Bruce, come see my husband down, my friend. Me don't got the strength for sure no love again. Me don't got the strength for sure no love again. People no really better know that again. Me a sleep with the iron and the nightmare them. One bygone self done them cause I light beer them. Mommy self load them try go fix at it. Me try till me can't try no more. Try me a big open the door. Me alone outside now do call. Sleepless night don't have no home. Them no know about sleep on the road. Husband don't have no clothes. Me fight till my hand them get sore. Me cry till me can't cry no more.
Yeah, man, a real tune, real tune.
That is it.
Everything gone up. Liquor man shelf price gone up.
No one moderate.
Me touch and me roll up. People see us and know who me. Me nah watch it dice. Play me game and I go under she dice. Kylie see me and I say me look nice. Danesha chase. Feel like me tipsy. Me feel like me tipsy.
Shadow. Pull up.
Bar price everything gone up. Commercial price gone up. Anyway, Bruce them roll up. People see us and know who me. Me now watch the price. Play me game and I go under she dice. Consequence me and I say me nice. Danesha chase. Anyway, I feel like
Yeah, people, the most know that song there for the watch Shadow. You know, that's start the party.
That was cute with a little twist.
You remember that tune there, Dan?
What at the start of Shadow?
Right.
Oh no, I'm saying that was cute. The little twist when putting my name was cute. Oh, that's nice. But hey, welcome to Mali.
Yeah. Tamarley there?
Yeah, he's here. Hey.
Jano, far right. Blessings. Go on.
Good man. Yeah, check up, you know.
Cool no man, father. Make sure people them can know who from early. Yeah man, people see the general there. Yes, see it there.
Yeah man. See it, man.
Tamarley, you want to tell them a little bit about yourself?
You know, I tell you to the Marley, you know that's Tamarley, you see me? Hail from a place called Southside, you know what I mean? You see me, I say OTS King, you know what I mean, represent for the slum. You know what I mean? And when me say out of the slum, you know what I mean, that we are run left the slum and neglect the slum and you know what I mean, chew a stone behind we. I just the mindset, out of the slum mentality, you know what I mean?
Playing from iPhone.
Yeah.
That is
so
it.
Just Tamarley, you know what I mean? So that am I represent for the slum youth, you know what I mean? All of the youth them from the slum. Yeah. You know what I mean? We're just there for motivate the youth them, empower the youth them and show them say greatness the whole way, you know? Greatness built for the world. Yeah, I mean? Yeah, hear me?
Yeah, man, that just gonna ask if I tell the youth them go jump into the competition and thing. Yeah, man. Give them some good advice and tell them say if you don't be coward about it.
Yeah, man, you can't be coward about it, man. You have to just move towards your dream, man, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, because greatness in every ghetto youth, you know. You see me, I say, sometimes you dream, and you hear me?
Yeah, we are.
Yeah, yeah, man.
All right. Yeah. So me I say now, sometimes you dream and your purpose, you know what I mean? Meaning your big dream can be the music and you don't know. You find yourself be a CEO for one construction company. You know what I mean? So I just them way they will try motivate the youth them for stay positive, you know, put yourself in a constructive part. On a constructive part every time, you know what I mean? So sometimes your purpose will find you, even though you seek your dream, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, so greatness in every youth, man, so you have to just push on, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, don't base yourself in a one box, you know what I mean? Because you can find greatness through all aspects of life, you know what I mean? And it's just one way. Yeah, so that's the whole concept of the whole thing when I say OTS, you know, out of the slums.
Oh my word. People, I want to listen, you know. Yeah, man. All of the young artists, I hope you listen, you know, keenly, you know. Yeah, man, is a veteran this. You see me, people? Yeah, man. And I want to get a firm grip away, myself. It's just not one talent alone. You see me?
Yeah,
like
man, it's not just one talent, you know what I mean? So,
God, if you say you're one artist and when you check a stack, you go turn big CEO or a Westing cut to your article and never know. All the man I try to say, never give up.
Never give up, man. You see me? I say, yeah, man. Say if a music are your thing and music you love, just keep doing it. But at the same time, you have to just keep productive on some other thing where you know say I go contribute to your life growth. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, because sometimes, as I say, sometimes you dream, you know what I mean, they really work as though you want it to work, but you have to just push on same way. You don't know, every artist have a different life, you know. Different from artists, you know what I mean? So
you know, say, I don't know if people don't know. Everybody thinks I just artist straight him do and sing and make money.
Even enough people see me in the movie, because the movie supposed to go on, I don't know, probably gone 1 million views, but it's like, you know,
past 500, I think, supposed to. Yes, Bruce.
Last time I checked about 900.
It's so reach a mill.
Yeah, supposed to reach a mill. Because you know, with the music and, you know, you the music, what heap people know in the music, but when them say it come out in the movie and thing, you know, it's a different thing. Even the juvenile them, you know, St. Catherine, the juvenile them, even them say, yo, you see in the movie, Ray, and I say, yeah, man, I mean, man. And because the movie, you know, it paint image, you know, like, you know, the serious script where you get like, or you act that out. Even when them see in the street, at the same script them see as, you know.
Let me tell you, people see me every day. Killer Wayne.
Yeah, isn't it? So, yeah, it's a good look. I mean, also grow fans from that differently, you know. But we can go after next movie or probably come out in the next movie. So, you know, it's a great thing, man, isn't it?
That is it. That's motivation. That's it.
Greatness, man. Greatness all around, man, isn't it? Yeah, man. Greatness. The whole way my family, man. See me, I just push on, you know.
You see that me I tell about peeps? Bruce, make sure you record, you know. You see me I talk about peeps, two good artists, famous, you know what I mean, and very talented. You see me? And them I try to tell them, say,
Yeah, so me that say it's for younger ones them where listen, like as artists, we're out there, what are some of my challenges on a face as artists where them should I look forward to?
The biggest challenge is motivation, you know.
Wow, that's a good topic there, so Jay. A good topic, my boy.
Yeah, you don't need money. I mean, we need money, yes, but when you have motivation, you have everything, you know, you see me, everything fall in place, you see me?
Where you take point that, Marley?
Well, the biggest challenge still, you know, overall for me, would I say marketing, you know, promotion, you see me, to get the music out to the people, them, to reach a wider world where we would have loved to reach it. Kind of just Jamaica alone and in New York, this alone, it's stopping, you know what I mean, or over Atlanta. You know what I mean? So, to get it to the wider world, that's the difficulty for all. You see me, I say, on most youths, when they have no money. You know what I mean? Yeah, so. I just feel like at that part there, you know what I mean, are the most difficult part. For most youths, as I tell you, when I have the money for finance them think, you know the thing go. As an artist, you have to have a structure, you know. That's one of the things them want to tell the youth them do. You know what I mean? You have to have a structure, meaning when you structure your thing, you have to have one promotional strategy behind the thing where you know say, all right, you have one budget, $500,000 where you know say, all right, we are going to find one PR and we are going to make sure do some work over there. So, in promotion, same way. You know what I mean? And at the same time, you want to say you're getting back your revenues for your song. Because we don't just want to do it for just do it. You know what I mean? The same money where you put in, you're going to gain back even more than where you put in. You know what I mean? So, that's the whole difficult part, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. So promotion.
Yeah, man. And the youth, them have to just believe too. Just believe. You may say, just anything you do, you just believe in what you do. And even if you not get the enough encouragement.
Don't get me wrong though, you know, because, you know what I mean, sometimes blessing fall upon some youths, you know, so them just get a one opportunity there to show them talent and show what them have. And that's it for them. But everyone not have the same luck or everyone not get the same blessing. You see me I say so. Yeah man, we not, you know what I mean? We not demotivate them at the same time, even if you don't have the money, you know what I mean? It still can push on and the blessing can fall upon you once you have good talent.
That's why that's so this man chip in, you know, Master Bruce, you know, with this competition thing, you know.
Right.
You see me, I try reach out as much as possible. You see me? Cause you have a whole heap of talent out there, man. Jamaica full of talent, you know, man.
Whole heap of talent, man. Whole heap of talent, man.
Yeah, tell you, bro, man. Jamaica full of talent, the G, man. We try draw them out, man. This is just a little tip of the iceberg, you see me? Yeah, man, it's a proper iceberg, man, I come, man. We got plan for freeze the whole system when we step in, man. And I'm not now, man. You see me? Because this right now, I got kind of lead to the next one. Next Sunday again, Bruce, or Sundays. I know what I'm going.
Yeah, man, one another Sunday. What you say, Dan?
On another Sunday.
All right.
Yeah, that's so.
So more ask the two artists them something. What song wanna create where it's close to an art and what inspire enough for do it?
Wait, so repeat that.
What song you created is close to your heart and what inspired you to do it?
Well, you know, as an artist still, you know, we do a whole heap of song we put all in it and we best in it. You see me say, but you know, as we say, we have some song we kind of different, we well close to it. You see me? And that kind of different, you know, it kind of different, and we kind of have the song there where, you know, we use as certain song where we can, you know, turn to when we kind of feel certain way. You see what I say? Down way and thing. So
okay, and what song is that for you?
Well, I have two songs, you know, where me like, where me like, cause sometimes I know where people them like me really like, you know, sometimes as an artist, you know. But I have two songs, you know, you have one named Story, I like that song cause, you know, I want my been through. So I kind of write off of that, like, I lose certain things and, you know, I write.
The one that you played earlier about the fire?
Yeah.
Okay.
That one, man. Trust me, man. That's one.
Probably I know one nice best song where people and like still, because I'm gonna like other song, but me like that, you know, me have a next song on name 2025, which is a female song. That song my share piece of my real life because the moment with the real another song there too. So I just write about it because the moment was just like one night, you know, so I just write about it.
So you can give me a little freestyle?
Yeah, we can get a little pieces. I'm still find it.
What is that?
Hey guys, sorry, I went off on a call.
Hey, Miss Julie.
You're about to listen to
nobody like Wi-Fi. Good picture on my phone and in night. Your body pick up on my body like Wi-Fi. Why every time we link up it feel like the first time. Your GPS pick up my location in the night time. Your BMW park up in the driveway same time. You know more that touch it. Front way, back way, me. Me take you home for meet my mommy. Your body look rich, something like lavish. Make we go guy and I go married. The girl me that cherish. Your lace wig match your bag where you carry. Your body make me feel like my day a foreign. Have my whole head damn. Nobody never touch you like this. Turn you on like a real light switch. You say your whole life you make the right wish. Champagne are your moments this. She never give me heads like this. So when me tell her say you are the right chick. And if me tell her say you are the tightest. You are the tightest. Put you on the wall. Put you against the dresser. Give you what you want. Give you all the pleasure, hold in on me arms like I'm a treasure. She say me make her body feel complete. She whisper something on my ear, something. She give me the key, same time for the. She said, JD, come over, come feel. And me alone, me she go pana. Nobody never touch you like this. Turn you on like a real life. Yes, I you my life, you make it right.
Bruce!
Big tune, big tune.
Yes, no man. Yes, no man.
I like it. I
Yes,
like it.
no man.
But say when you talk about for drive for the BMW, you go for buy a one. I mean my talk.
Cha.
That was cute. I like it.
Real one.
Right, that. Alright, so our same question go to
Tamarley, what about you?
Yeah, man, you know we have a few of them songs if real, you know what I mean? And to tell you the truth, the first one when I identify the one named Firm. I have a song named Firm, you know what I mean? And you don't know Firm, forever I remain militant. Yeah, I mean, so.
You want to give away a
I
freestyle?
want there from her heart, you know what I mean? And what really inspire for me is a song there. And the struggle, you know, the musical struggle and life journey overall, you know? Yeah, man. The one the name Firm.
Firm and strong.
Tamarley.
I the out of the slum king. I the struggle make the man that I am. They no care about my feelings, but man that I am. Me potentials and me have a lot of plan to execute upon Jal and me a chatter. And the Father keep me firm. And the Almighty Father keep me firm. Whoa yeah, through the struggles right through it confirm. And the Father, and the Almighty Father keep me firm. And the Father keep me firm. Oh yeah, through the struggles right through it confirm. And the Father keep me firm. Listen me, take the teachings and people learn. From me little bit, me mother tell me sweet worm. Work hard for me things, me never cheat me firm. Now go take no wrong turn, me live straight. So me no need for turn. Man no follow me go piss stop. No man can bring me gift wrap and promise me for spin me like a disc jack. Man me not be no big black. Or with no big shot. Jaja big thing like. Tell them the Father keep me firm.
Ba.
Oh yeah, through the struggles right through it confirm.
Father keep me firm.
So I want the confirm, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, so enough time it confirm, man. We are saying, no man, the Father, you know, the Father bring me through this struggle here, you know.
But see that Tamarley blood not draw out culture color, you know, watch it. Culture color love that song there.
Yeah, man, so that's one of them songs, them one way, you know. Yeah, man. And then we have this one name where I do for my mother, you know.
Yeah. Well, see how fun in the place there, you know.
Yeah, so them songs they are the two most from my heart. Yeah, I tell you what. I'll cry more time when I listen to them songs, you know, to tell you the truth.
That is it in a one, G.
Yeah,
that is it, man. That is it, man. Tears of Joy, that name, you know, bro.
Yeah, man. Tears of Joy, man. Yeah, man. No weakness cry, man. Tears of Joy, you know. We are say
So if you say there is two songs were close to your heart, right? So Firm would that be one? What the other one would that be?
So what next one about your mother?
I know the next one is a mother song, and to tell you the truth, a song they know.
Very touching for that, for right.
Yeah, man. More time, yeah.
I see if that one there for you are going. You know, I feel like give it the third best one. Yeah, give it the third best one. See if that one there for the stage show, yeah. And people see Tears of Joy, people have to say, yeah.
Right.
Chill out.
All right. So I have another one now where I do from my heart, you know.
Yeah.
Greatness. Yeah. Tamarley. I tear to the Marley, the OTS King. Yeah. Southside. 100% talent. Yo, Dan, Tawcha. Remember me days in a subconscious. Long before such man boss man conscious. Southside bad artist, man tough. Me fuck up any stage show when me untouch. The fire phone, the rhythm get shank up. Fans up, hands up. I be a blank boss. Forward like baller from Santos. Lyrics drop where you shake up the land cross. Yeah, and a who first boss, a who must boss. Dario a real you, Timmy not just. R.I.P. Delos, him a dwell with us. Man a uno, nah stress so you must dust. Call from my phone with your ego up. Tell me if you pick side, but me never fuss. You are down a south side where the thing them bust. Any boy turn away enemy Rick fuss. Long before the fame and the demons and the plain diamond chain. Real friendship we maintain. One aim, one dream, one team, one flame. Hold it in the rain and they get a man chain. Ambition, oriented, contain. Be a greatness a running and me main vein. The plan was for him boss and just succeed. And they make a one browning, make him just change. I know me G that Zella. When me used to under one umbrella, no shaky thing, man, a gal is no fella. Enough big woman they get them groove back. Stella, I told me Jed and Brown P, my Dan boss. Take it for your real brother, and the plan was the whole I will reach up in a foreign known condos and gal shall I yard money enough like the sun does. Remember pan super the veranda. Ready my beat, tell the neighbor them I wonder. Hardcore lyrics like Killer and Shabba. Tamarley, the baddest artist downtown. Tamarley, the baddest artist unknown. And I just not known. A metaphor, similes, lyrics profound. Lyrics say fly over head like John. Can't fathom it, my lyrics too deep, Mike John. Out of the slum where another king found. The diamond and the dirt, it's a no sea stone. Can't stop my tone. Can't flat no man I not no clown. Jodaviv, I will at downtown. To every a man chop for your phone. Then what? Every fashion.
No, sir.
Yeah, man. So I want the name Greatness, you know what I mean? You can go check out that one deck. We have a mic drop video on the YouTube and yeah, that one they are streamed on all platform right now, you know.
We are set to make a child Dan face.
Tamarley.
So that's the one, the latest one we will do from
More you sing the one where you sing with both his a gallis, the one where push cat, the one where at the bank.
What one is a push cat?
I know that was a freestyle though. You know, it's a freestyle because you know later on you have to go pay feet. You have to go pay feet in a damn that. So freestyle.
That's why you get charged for early down.
I want that. Yeah, but I want that. Yeah, man, that one was a freestyle though, you know. Yeah, man.
See that? First charge, man.
Most of the lyrics them I don't really remember, you know. Yeah, man.
Yeah, no, trim same have a girl.
Okay, I'll give you a little something though if you want. Yeah, man. Suppose you can remember a few something.
I forgot go back on Facebook and watch your performance there.
Can I watch you back on this? Because I think Bruce supposed to Bruce, make sure you Bruce, make sure you record.
We're screen record.
It's a tape. Oh.
Yeah, man, we're from it then get them groove back.
The one the name Greatness do, man, from the heart, you know what I mean? Event, a kind of event that you don't know. Who know. Who don't know the history now go really know, you know what I mean? So
Just cool, man. Cause just like Jay Blacks, you know, you see the song I tell you about when we hear Dan mention say fire, trust me, man. Every word in it true. Because I think saying just build a song there so but every damn single word in that tune, I real talk, man. Anytime me hear it, me feel it. Me say me feel it your part. Me tell them. You have to feel that tune, you know.
Now go back in this guy, rhythm they stop, you know.
Yeah.
Make me feel paro. Me a drink liquor like say you not tomorrow. Make me feel paro. And turn it paro. Money where you spend can't lend nor borrow. Make me feel paro. Make me feel paro. Money where me spend can't lend nor borrow. Make me feel paro. Make me feel paro. Drink where you pain and a drink where you sorrow. We step out now latest thing. Watch, chain, latest ring. The girl them a feel love of the king. Yeah, them a feel love of the king. Oh me now watch it thing. The girl them say them want catch a flim. She a chase Remy and Ting. Chanel me get Renee and Kim. Feel paro, make me feel paro. Me a drink liquor like say you not tomorrow. Make me feel paro, make me me feel paro. Money when me spend can't lend nor borrow. Yet me feel paro. Yet me feel paro. Money when me spend can't lend nor borrow. Yet me feel paro. Yep, them can manage it. You know what, go and watch you now. Watch you now. Me charge you everything alright. Them go over this, I love the vibes. Me step crossing out, so we not shy. Liquor in a hand and a hype, we a hype. Me smoke half pound on a kite. This make me like night. This done said make them right. Hey, yet me feel paro, yet me feel paro. Me a drink liquor like say and a tomorrow. Yet me feel paro, yet me feel paro. Money consequence when he can't borrow. Yet me feel paro, yet me feel paro. Me a drink liquor like say and a tomorrow. Master Rose paro, yet him feel paro. Anyway, you know, I come down watch now. Bar price, everything gone up. Liquor on shelf price gone up. Hold up. We just start the party, you know.
It's a piece. It a start up. Dan you try. I warm up on the place, camera.
Big up yourself, bro.
Dan, I look paro.
Let's start the party, say night, you know.
Up full bad artist. Up full
Watch
bad
out then.
artist.
Bar price, everything gone up. Go up. Liquor on shelf price gone up. Go up. Anywhere me touch and me roll up. People see consequence and know me. Me now watch the price. Play me game and I go under she dice. Kylie see me and I say me look nice. Tanisha chase anyway I see. Like me tipsy. Like me tipsy. Master Bros. Girl I try take my way. I try trick me. Me feel like me tipsy. Watch I know. Oh me nah got me bed. A party till the sun red. I be a girl, I go up on them head. Watch there, liquor it bust up in a head. Bartender asks me what me want, yeah. Liquor in a cup, boom and Bacardi. Anyone me touch them, no say me a star, yeah. The girl them see me and I get feel like me see. Me feel like me tipsy. Consequence, what go on? Tree, girl I try take my weight, I try trick me. Feel like me tipsy.
That is it. That is it.
Don't stop your rhythm, man. Give me a piece of rhythm, same way, man.
Oh,
Don't
man.
stop your rhythm, man.
That piece of the rhythm for the man. Jay, where rhythm that give this time?
Half of the day, I'll lay away a piece of the rhythm.
Tawcha, don't show that again. Yeah, the liquor. Ask for to remove it.
Yeah, man, give piece of rhythm, man. Nah, make it waste. Girl work a digital catch me online. One in at the bank, me have a couple in the line. Girl where you firefighter when fire time. Me have a girl in the military we fight crime. Any little trouble me no worry my mind. Money for my brain and a girl for my mind. Me have a girl a shoemaker when me get my shoe shine. A disabled girl, beautiful but she blind. Girl a receptionist, your hostess doctor. Have a girl a actress, could be actor. Girl a drive forklift, girl drive chapter. Me have a girl a fly plane, one a fly helicopter. Have a girl a national housing trust. A girl a JUTC we drive bus. And I told me used to par with subconscious. I from down a south side, man, I get girl first. Dog, me fly out, but me love my island still. Now let me girl way up a island grill. Me girl a mega man, she a say me too smart. And she catch me a market with me girl a push cart. What a class. Me never know she a watch me. She never know me girl a drive a taxi. She never know me have a girl work a bright light. She give the result of every a taxi. And the best thing in God creation. Have a girl a Asian, one way a Bayesian. The girl from China said my son PlayStation and the girl a...
Yeah. I keep dying in the
Freestyle, you know.
I want the body. Every woman all longer. Yo, this is a station you're not gonna, man. I tell you that backside. No, sir.
Yeah, man, if you not have one girl with a push cat, you know, say nothing.
Nothing at all.
All caliber.
If she not push cat, she not say nothing. Nothing she not say.
Yeah,
So if you
man.
push cat back of that.
Yeah, man. Well
Alright,
ambitious, you know.
JUTC boss.
Fully ambitious. No
Well,
shame
well,
in
me
your
not
name.
push cat.
Driver JUTC boss.
Yes, man. Anything if we make the honest bread, you know. Yeah, man.
Real. Love how you tune them relatable, you know?
Right.
1, 2. Yeah, man, the
Man,
artist,
tree,
the
man, but
artist,
me like, yeah, man, me like the little initiative where the man them, you know, put together for the young talents, cause you know this is what we need in the music, really, you know. Yeah, man, cause
Yeah,
the
for
youths,
real.
yeah, man, millions of talent, man, in the little island, and you know, yeah, man, they need the strength, every little strength them can get for real, cause man,
I telling them out there, no, but nobody now to do nothing for them, is it?
nobody now look, you see me, I say, yeah, man. People not really love music, me realize nowadays, you know. They're more like artists. They just choose who them like and know say alright, I even me listen. You know
Yeah,
what I mean?
so a character then like.
Yeah, them like the character, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. So them just choose them character.
Yeah.
Pick them character and know say, yo, them man I may listen. This are my artist. Which nothing wrong with that, you know. But at the same time, music we have to listen, man. You know what I mean? Because you have some other youth where, you know, have some raw talent where I tell you, people just need to acknowledge.
And sometimes the message there in our music, so you want people listening music too. Not just running for the character and the style.
Yes, man. Just running for the character. Man. You know what I mean? Yeah, sometimes you don't have to know the character, man. Just know say, yo, that song your bad, you know.
Yeah,
man. Just acknowledge say, yeah, that song your bad. You know what I mean?
That is it, man.
Have some people who know the song bad and just to them not even know the artist name. The name not have a buzz. You know what I mean? So them they want to take a look, them just skip past that. You know what I mean? Yeah, well, so I didn't think they mash up the music, really, you know.
Bad, bro. Bad.
Good music I get skip pass, a school pass, you know. Yeah, man.
well, we have to find a way to make your music stay, you know? Log them in back.
That is it.
Go true.
And that also go with promotion, as we may have said earlier, you see me?
Yeah.
Because once you have good music, you know, why you take for rub it, when we call it now, rub it in our people and face then. It take money for do that. Because once you rub it in them face, them and constantly have it constantly in front of them, so them not have no choice but accept it. You know what I mean? All if them don't want to accept it, it's hard for them, you know, shun it away, cause yeah, just they brawling. So that with song, that makes song turn it. You know what I mean? Because sometimes you have all a song where it never make much sense, but it's a song. And just the promotion behind it and the structure behind the song there make it reach our ears. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, and it becomes a hit because every day we hear it in our ears. Sometimes we never want to hear a song, but we find ourselves all sing it. Because we hear it so much time in our ears. We find ourselves all sing it sometime. And we don't really want to sing it. But we hear it so much time, you see me? It provoke our ears, you know, so. We find ourselves.
Yeah, sometimes you don't like it, you know, but it catchy.
Alright, see.
So just a running in your mind.
It's catchy and it provoke your ears, so you just find yourself a sing it.
Well, like pepper like me not like you.
Alright. You understand? Yeah. Alright. So that also go with the algorithm right now what go on. You see me I say? Make we hear that in our ears so much time. Pepper like blue and red, you know?
Man, take over the man Sam to write.
Yes, sir. I just say, go man, there's a promotion behind the whole thing, man. That's that are the key part, you know.
Yeah. That's something I forgot just lucky in, you understand?
Yeah,
Promotion
man,
is key.
that's the key part, man. Tell you. Yeah, man. And not just talent alone, you see me? Yeah, man.
But talent are just a first door.
Yeah, man. That's the basics, you know. Basic.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean. And nowadays, every youth can record, you know. I realize too, you know. You see me? Every youth have them make a laptop and have them make a thing. You know what I mean? Pro tools for them thing or whatever, and them a record themselves. You know what I mean? But I just to get the thing master, you know, and you know, mix and master and get it out. And that's the difficult part forwarding where most of the youths them fall short on right now, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah,
So you see that's why part of food production basically have to help open them doors there, you know, because like what Tata said earlier on, once when the talent show kick off and finish, we're not done with them. You see me? We assist them with them things the same way to help get them out there.
Right. Yeah, man, which is right, man.
So the journey just a start.
All right, so I want to close off.
Alright, folks. I just want to say, well, if you talk fast, because my phone decided to run down the battery line. Artists, first and foremost, Jay Blacks, Tamarley. Tamarley, you want to big up yourself, you know, that, because
Yeah, man.
it take no time, it take, what should I say? In your busy schedule, you take a little time and come show a little support. Respect that, you see me, bro? Jay Blacks, big up yourself too, you know, you see me?
Yeah.
You don't know, Sunday will be greater. Every Sunday it will get greater and greater, you see me? So on behalf of the whole Controverse team and everybody, big up me all of my tappers them out there. You see me? What T-Skull, big up yourself, you don't know, you check in late, but you don't know Sunday again, bro. You know what I mean? Big shout out to Dan and Bruce. You know the match go, so it's all welfare. October we are kick it. Yeah, October we are
October
kick it.
3rd, to be exact.
Yeah, October 3rd. You don't know the special guests them already, them going a piece of them tune already, just know so them have a whole heap more for going. So
Only for something, man.
alright, that is it. You hear that, folks?
Tipsy Boss, I go there the live, you know. Tipsy Boss, the live. So I say, Master Bruce, big up yourself, you know. I'm part, I think, from long time.
Cool,
Nature
man.
role, I think. You see me? But you know, me there, I go and look up piece of one new thing before it has to probably be first place before it even go up on record. Like, I'm going to like probably say,
you go close the show.
Right.
Yeah. So Jay Black say man close the show. So
peace with
probably 1 minute and
get Tamale piece too. So Dan and Bruce, now go get this charge up. You link me in the group.
Rhythm too loud or it good?
Rhythm good.
One little piece me I go in. Baby, me get stuck in it, touching it. Me will be the groom and you will be the bride. Me make you a couple kids. Your body love my body, come and play with the. This a thing you can damage it, manage it. Operation, put you on a plane flight. Only miss another night, on top your love right. Yeah, you not cheat, you good. Come stay with me, not cheat, you good. Just cheat, pan it, not cheat, you good. Can't do it like me, cheat, you good. Just
no, my phone
you
dead.
not cheat, you good. Come stay with me, cheat, you good. Just for fun, not cheat, you good. Like, yeah, big up on yourself, you don't know.
Yeah, man. Bless up to everyone, man. Bless up.
All right, thanks for coming out.
Yeah.
Bruce?
Hello.
All right. Well, time to wrap up.
Then no you hang up or something.
Good night. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. See you
Yeah,
next
man.
week,
Don't be a
Sunday
stranger. Pass through any Sunday.
at 8 o'clock.
All
Jamaica
right.
time. 9 o'clock US time. All right, later.
Out.